What is up, boys? We're out here this morning. Redbull runs. This is a new series that we're doing on the YouTube. Pretty much going out, doing chats and stuff.
Yeah, that's it. We're just gonna be tired as fuck and smash a lot of Red Bulls and ride.
We're pretty much riding out to, gonna try and find some like good spots to ride, and yeah, find some good locations around our area. Got a good one that we're going to, I've been to before. Yeah, so I'll be his guide today. But yeah, pretty much that's it. It's early as fuck. We're both tired, but we're still gonna have a good ride. We're not gonna crash. But yeah, it's gonna be sick.
Straight up.
Straight up. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this little series that we're doing.
Smash that like button. Subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe.
Straight up.
Straight up.
You ain't even recording, hey?
I have nothing.
So I could just do that then with Bro, don't say it like that. Bro, you got everything. The world is yours, bro. The world is your oyster.
Fuck this bullshit, man. We're going to up at 4:30 for nothing.
Not for nothing, bro.
Nah. Rides are for the soul.
Quote that, Street Tom. Put that on a frame. Put that on my bedroom wall. Riding is for the soul. Cheer up, bro. Cheer up.
Man.
So good. What are you, bro?
Fast as fuck, baby.
Yes, sir. Straight
my
up.
M27, my Lambs, M27.
How fast have you gone?
Speed limit. Always.
Straight up. Easy there, soldier.
Yes.
Alright. Let's go. Fuck yeah. Bumpy, bro. Going down here?
Yeah, more of the same stuff.
Alrighty. Dude, the road is nice out here. Alright. Like, I saw it, but yeah, bro, that took a second to register.
I only saw it when you yelled out, and then I started jumping across the road.
Lucky it was only one.
Yeah, I was waiting for half an hour.
Only in Australia, mate. Only in Australia. I gotta warn them, bro. Oh my god, there's another one! So we actually have to warn them. I gotta keep thinking, man. I can't believe people live out here, man. Middle of nowhere. Straight up. Dude, it'd be crazy to live out here. Oh, it's still foggy out here, dude. No way. Oh, did you see them? There's like 3, 4. Look at them, dude. Damn, we really in Australia right now. We in the outback. Oh, this is the town? Oh, dude, there's like people here. I didn't actually think they'd be like. I don't know. I'm just surprised that people.
People here.
Right here, or right here, or after?
Yeah, right here.
All right. You used a water ski, bro?
Well, I've done 2 skis once. I stood up when I was like 14.
Damn.
But
This guy has lived.
Hello, Tech Talk Gold, DMC, Intercom, Mode, Mobile Phone, 1, connected.
Hello?
Hello. Oh. Yeah, the water used to be like way lower. Probably like 5 meters lower, probably like a year or 2 ago. Like that island there, you could walk out across to that on dry land.
Damn.
Yeah, it used to be hella low, but got heaps of rain.
Damn.
Yeah.
We at a dam right now. Oh, what's this say? Let's be tourists. Meet the locals. Oh, they got platypuses here, bro.
Yeah, man.
So, for the non-Australian people, hey, that's what we saw on the road. A
little bit bigger though. Not quite that.
They were all wallabies.
Yeah.
Which is...
The second or the third one were kangaroos that packed.
Yeah, that last one?
They're big dogs.
Yeah. So basically, explain to YouTube, what is a wallaby? Because it's not a kangaroo, but it looks like a kangaroo.
It's a subspecies of kangaroo. I don't know if that's the right terminology, but like, yes, it's like a kangaroo, but like smaller. So like, yeah, same thing but different.
Alright.
Same but different.
We can see.
They're pretty tame kangaroos without like.
Damn. Kangaroos what?
Staunch and box. We are.
Oh, true. It's like an actual map. So we're like.
We are here. Do you want to know any piece of history?
I would love to know a piece of history.
Walk out here. See those power lines? You probably can't see that on the GoPro.
Like way up there?
Yep.
Like way up there, yeah. Just where the fog is.
Way back in the day.
Uh-huh.
My old man was telling me, you know Chinook helicopter, the big chopper with the 2 rotors?
Mm-hmm.
One of them actually came through, hit that power line, and crashed into the dam. Killed like everyone on it. I'm pretty sure, yeah, everyone died on it.
Really?
Yeah. They do for like a local town here. Massive news, dude.
Damn.
Pretty.
History lesson with Street Tom.
Yeah, man, I'm like good eat spot for Australia. Not quite.
Shout out to Brian 36. Wait,
Yeah.
36. 363.
Yeah, right on that 300, man. Wheelies on 300 road.
636, my bad.
Yeah, man. The king.
I just disrespected the king.
Yeah, man.
King of Chicago.
Wait till we get cleaned up.
Damn, man, he got the boat. He got the speedboat.
Not bad. Good size.
Shut up, dude. Oh, no way, dude. No fucking way.
It's ripping. Oh!
Dude, no way. Dude, we straight up jinxed it, bro.
Oh, man.
It's all good, we'll stitch it up. It's all good.